tutorials and stuff. Let's get started on the haul. Okay guys, so the first thing I got was this poppet. Yes, I have already opened it. So this is the poppet, what it looks like. Okay, so personally, I do not recommend this poppet. I will be returning it because basically when I was popping it a while ago, when I would pop it on the bad side, I would pop it and then it's very aesthetic. I would pop it and this is the good side. Let me get it to this bad side. Give me a second. So like I was saying, if I pop it, it'll pop back. Watch. That one didn't do it, but you guys saw it. But yeah, so it does that. So I'll be returning this one. Okay guys, so the next item I got was another poppet. This one I will be keeping because I've also already opened this one. It also, I thought I might show you guys, it comes with some different colors. I've seen this one, I don't like it. I think I've seen that one, I don't remember. And then I have that one, of course. I really like this one. I 100% recommend this brand. It's really nice. I'm gonna turn around the phone so you guys can watch me pop it. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, now moving on to the next item. So I got one of these because my other one broke. It was my first one. My cousin accidentally broke it. But yeah, so I got one of these. I've been dying to get one of these. The only bad thing about these, when you squish them, they sometimes make a hole. So what I'm gonna do, which I already kind of see it a little bit. I think it's actually there or something. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you can. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cut this off because personally I don't like this wrapping. I feel like it ruins it, because like I was saying a while ago, when I squish it, sometimes it'll get a hole in it if I squish it too hard. If you know what I mean. But yeah, so I got this. I really like this. It's really cool. And my last one, I wanted a glow in the dark one. I'll be right back. My Chick-fil-A lady's getting pretty. So like I was saying, I'm cutting off the wrapping stuff because I like it personally like that better. We're about to get our food, so yeah. I will see you guys after we get the food, and I will show you guys when we get it. Okay guys, so I got my Chick-fil-A. Yes, I did go to Chick-fil-A. So the first thing I got, of course, I got a lemonade. Amazing. The next question. Do y'all eat the thick fries? My mom likes them, so I'm gonna.
I don't like that one.
And also, do you eat the French fry dust?
Ew.
It's not dust. It's like crisp. I don't know. I will see you guys back at the house. Okay, I'm gonna video my mom really quick eating the fry.
I don't like that part.
This is the part you want.
No, I don't like that one.
You want the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, here. She doesn't like it either. I knew it.
I'm not really a French fry person though.
I like French fries.
I don't eat French fries very often. I don't like potatoes.
You just drank my drink.
Yes, I did. It's sour, but it's very good.
It's very sunny today, guys.
It's a beautiful day.
Also, guys, I will be doing the braces update, but I don't know how to film it. That's why I haven't filmed it yet, because I don't know how to film it.
I may bring you to the dentist office with me to do it.
So, yeah, I really don't know how to film it. If I knew how to film it, I probably would have already filmed it. But, like I just said, I don't know how to film it. I will see you at the house. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and turn post notifications. Also, guys, comment down below which was your favorite fidget. Mine, out of the whole haul, mine was probably this one, personally, because I love the pop sounds. I think this is bad side. I'm gonna speed through me popping these. Okay, now this is the good side. But yeah, so my favorite Pop-It is definitely this one because the pops are so amazing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Behind the scenes of me cutting it, so I'm about to go get some scissors so I can cut it. Guys, it kind of feels weird. It feels like a slimy, like slime's in it. I actually really like it though. Bye!